Hi Libras, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Libras. So let us see what is coming up, guys, for your daily energies and for your love energies, Libras. Eight of Swords, Page of Swords. Libras, with these cards, guys, you are facing certain struggles. You are blinded by certain things, guys. Maybe sadness or anger towards someone. You may have people who are working against you, maybe some friend or family, somebody who does not like you. They may be talking behind your back, they may be spreading rumors about you, some bad things about you that may not at all be true, but still they are doing it because they hate you, or maybe to reach your position. Maybe someone is jealous of you in your work, so to grab your position in work they are spreading rumors about you, some kind of scandals, and it is coming to your ears and you are feeling really sad because of that, guys. Some kind of conflicts are going on, or maybe in this relationship with this person, somebody, maybe their ex or your ex, someone is causing troubles or trying to cause troubles. They may give some third hand information to your person, or someone is giving third hand information about your person to you, and you are feeling sad because of that, because that may not be true, but the way the people are speaking is making you feel really bad, guys. And some kind of secrets also. Maybe some of you all come to know about certain things about this person or situation, or about the people who are talking behind you, people who are the reason for this rumors, and you are really feeling very bad about it, and you feel you need to be more attentive, more cautious about certain things, certain people. So you are taking the necessary steps. You are avoiding such people in your life, trying to avoid. So that may also be the energy here, guys. And maybe some of them are prying you for details. Maybe they hear the rumor, they come to you and they want to verify those details, and you are feeling really irritated because of that, because those are based on lies and you do not want to answer them. That may also be the energy here, guys. And some kind of sadness is there, some kind of this may be because of some corrupted ways of people, guys. They just want to take over your position or authority. That may be the reason of them spreading something bad about you and tampering your image in work or in your relationship with this person. They want to tamper your image because they want to take over your position, guys. They are simply jealous of you. So that may also be the energy here, Libras. So let us see what is coming up with the other set of cards, guys. Maybe for some of you all, you may be sick also. There may be some sickness. You feel you are tied on, you are having the tiredness, you are resting. So that may also be the energy here, guys. Because of certain sickness, you are feeling tired and you feel tied on, are not able to do anything. So let us see what is the energy with the other set of cards, guys. Libras. 6, Garden key. So with the Sixth card, I definitely feel your situation is going to improve, guys. So whatever negatives that you were feeling, that rumors or scandals, people talking behind your back, people trying to pry into your life, who want to know about you, who want to know your secrets, all that is going to come to an end, guys. And you are going to see the path to reach success in your life. So you are clearly finding the missing link, whatever you want to have to reach that success. So you are getting it today, guys. That is also the energy with these cards. And you may be meeting some people. This may be your friends, someone to whom you want to share your feelings and these stress and the confusions that you are having. So you are meeting with them, you are venting out your emotions to them, and you are healing, guys. You are on the path to healing. That is also the energy here with these cards. So let us see what is the angels guidance for us today, Libras. What the angels are guiding us with today. Cooperate. So the energy with this angel card is that, guys, the guidance is that, guys, we face so many stressful situations and crises. Just like I said, the energy with the previous cards, you are facing rumors or people talking behind you or criticizing you. So sometimes when we are in that situation, or when somebody is there, some friend or family member or this person of us, when they are in that situation, we have to help them in some way, guys. We have to appreciate their skills and efforts and abilities, and we can collaborate with them in some way, listen to their feelings, guide them in some way, maybe even a small help. And when we put our strengths to work together in finding solution, it just helps the other person, and you feel a deep a sense of purpose when you are there with this person together, when you cooperate with them. So even a small contribution, maybe listening to that person, a small help, it will go a long way, guys, Libra. So that is the angels guidance for today, guys, and that is the reading for today for you all. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Libras.